Hello. So I started this bonsai project last summer, and I think that I said on video that you should be extremely careful and not touching roots during summer. It's a dangerous process. You might kill the tree, but I was lucky and the tree survived, and I like that a lot. I'm going to post the link of the video on the comments. And today I'm going to remove the wire and do some light pruning and maybe rewire again if when I remove the old wire, if the tree loses its shape. So I could cut the wire, probably it would be much easier, but I'm going to try to keep it and use it again with some other project or maybe with this tree. So let's do this. And I can already see that the wire did its job. The branches are holding the shape that I gave it. And it doesn't look good when you have your tree with a lot of wire, but usually one growing season is enough for the wire to do its part, and you can then remove it and you have an interesting tree with no wire. So this was almost at the point where the wire was biting the trunk. You can see there's a lighter part there, and this is the right moment to remove the wire. And again here, this is the right moment to remove the wire. Another growing season and I would have wire scars on the trunk, especially this wire here, which is very tight. I just spent a weekend with a couple of friends, a couple of good friends that live in the United States, and they invited us to stay with them at the Airbnb close to my home, and it's an amazing property, very good location, very quiet, and they have a heated pool. They're still here. They are going to stay just until the 4th of July. And let's see if I'm able to convince them to start a bonsai with me. And then I get to keep it because they will travel back to the United States and someone needs to take care of their bonsai. Okay, so it's free of wire. No, it's not. Now it is. And now some light pruning. And that's it. I will get back to this tree, I don't know, maybe still this year. I will take a look at it eventually during autumn, fall. Okay, and now that's it. That's it for today. Enjoy your week. Have a great week. Have fun. Start preparing your bonsai project plan. And maybe next weekend you're doing one with me. Bye. Take care.